Yo, how you doing, guys? Crypto Yalla is here. So in today's video I want to analyze with you one service, not service, we will see one feature on the service. It's called TradingView, and the feature I want to explore with you, it's a built-in calendar. So who doesn't know, TradingView is the most known, I think, service for crypto traders, not only crypto traders, but overall for traders, for market analysts, and so on. The link you will find in the description. Who didn't use this service can find the link, and it's free, but you can use as a paid version. And in the paid version they have additional features. I'm not sure what exactly, because I use paid version. I've been using paid version for many years, so I even doesn't know what is in the free version. Okay, anyway, so today let's explore this feature called calendar. And why I want to explore with you this function, because as you know, a lot of wait a little bit, I will decrease the volume, it's a little bit distracting. So as you know now, many things is are dependent on the markets. Sorry, not on the markets, on macro. So macro, we have different macro statistics that are coming every day. So in this calendar we can use it to highlight the most valuable, the most impactful, and the most major events, so we can track them and be prepared for them. So this built-in feature, there are many similar services like this. Many services exactly that are focused exactly on the calendars. But if you use TradingView, if you use charting service here, so you just can use it for free, as it's built in already, and it's all in one service, so you can use it, no problem. So let's dive in what's here. So on above you can see the dates. So it's basically from Monday to I guess it's from Monday to what is this, 4th of May, till Sunday. So it's basically, you can switch weeks and see what will happen in the future, or you can walk through every day and you can see Monday, Tuesday, what happened there, what will happen on Thursday, and so on. Okay, let's focus on Wednesday, on the last day of April, and let's see what we have here. So below you can find first of all you can see here categories, different categories. So mostly we are interested in the first category called economic. Or you can explore earnings. You can explore earnings. I see. Oh yeah, we can expand it. That's good. I see a lot of companies had earnings today, but I cannot see any filters that we can use to, for example, somehow filter out and focus on the main companies. So okay, let's explore the first category, and here we have some filters, so we will get back to them soon. And below you can see the events that happened on this date. So basically it's sorted by time, and you can see time, country, the importance, low importance, as if you see this one column colored blue, it's low importance, or it could be like medium importance, or if it's fully colored, all three columns are blue. So as you can see, it's high importance. So as you can see, many countries here are presented. Basically, many you can see like a lot of them, and actually I don't use it. I don't use all the data from all these countries, so I'm not very interested, for example, in the data from Mexico. I'm not interested, for example, in Brazil's unemployment rate. It's not so impactful on the global markets, so we can filter out the data, and I will show you how to do it. So here above you see this button, and if you press this button, it will highlight only the events with the high importance level. So you see all the events here have high importance. So you can filter out the data this way, or you can return it to all the data that we had before and click here. Sorry, not here. Where was that? Here. Click here above. So as you can see, now we have top 20 economies selected. You can choose even more wide category. You can choose entire world, and let's see what we get. Oh yeah, it's even more countries. So you can play around with these filters. You can find your country, for example, and look through what is happening with the data in your country. But for macro, it's more useful to use this filter, top 20 economies, or we can choose specific countries. For example, I'm interested in USA. Almost all the data, all the statistics that are coming from USA. The USA, obviously, I'm very interested. It's almost all the data has an impact on the market. So you can choose also Canada. In my opinion, would be nice to have. Let's see what we have here. All the European Union, I'm not sure if it's. Let's see what's there in that category. Also, let's see. Germany would be nice to have, in my opinion. What else? United Kingdom. You can choose it or you can skip it. I will skip it for now. I don't want to have backlogged calendar, so I just want to have less data to focus on. Okay, let's see what we have here. What's else? Argentina, Brazil. If you are from that side, from South America, you could probably choose one of those countries. And Japan, Japan. We will choose Japan, and mainland China for sure. It's nice to see what's happening there. And we are pressing apply. Okay, so here is the data. Actually, you can see actual number that came today, and sometimes there is a forecasted number. So in this case there is no, but you see like some records do have this forecasted value as well, and prior value from the period, like from the last period before today. So you can play around with these filters, you can play around with this calendar, and just filter out what data you are interested in, and more. I will show you more. If we go down, for example, press on any of the events, so you will see a more detailed, you will see an explanation basically of this data. You'll get some links to click on, so you can get additional info about these statistics, and you see all the statistics that came from the periods before. So you let's choose another statistics, and let's see, for example, here. As you can see, it's very detailed, and you see actual number, it's light blue color, and forecast number, forecast column, it's grayish columns. So you can play around. Reminder, the link you'll find in the description, and subscribe to the channel, give it a like, share with your friend who is also interested in crypto. I'm making videos I'm trying to make videos on a daily basis. So if you are interested, subscribe and leave a comment what service or what coin you would like to see, and to get more detailed technical analysis on the crypto. So take care, be careful. Markets mostly bullish, but as you know, one tweet or one phrase from the administration or from Trump can change everything. Be nimble and be humble. Take care. See you next day, tomorrow. Bye bye.